Hello, and welcome to the Randell Cheeser Station Return on Investment Calculator, a handy step-by-step guide to show how much money you can save when using Randell's new Cheeser Station. Number of locations, 1. Number of pizzas sold per day per location was 200. Operation type is a drop-down, national chain, regional chain, independent multi, and independent single. Days of operation per year per location, 355. Hours of operation per day, 12, serving lunch and dinner. Step 2, cheese savings. You can select standard cheese, premium, or super premium, or if you know your cost per pound, enter it here. In this example, it was $4.50 as premium cheese. How much cheese do you order per week? For us, it was 750 pounds. Labor savings. The average hourly wage of a pizza-making employee fully burdened. We use $15. How much can the Cheeser Station save me? As you can see, the Cheeser Station Return on Investment Calculator projects that it'll take as little as 9 months to pay off the price of the unit. After that, putting money back in your pocket. We do this by reducing waste and getting 100% utilization of the cheese, creating a consistent product by using the weigh scale version so the amount of cheese is always just right. The 25-pound cheese bin is refrigerated and self-contained and allows for more capacity in the prep table for other toppings and premium items, as well as using less time refilling the pans. Contact us or your local rep today to see how the Cheeser Station can help you.